All right, so I know what you're probably thinking. You're probably like, what in the hell are you talking about, Matt? $100 billion by 2025? Well, this is the same thing that Motley Fool decided to put out today, and it makes no sense. Why not put market cap in there? Why leave market cap out? This is what's crazy, and this is what, kind of drives people crazy, is the fact that they will put articles like this out in existence without it being a full sentence that we know makes sense. When I think of $100 billion, I think of $100 billion market cap. There's no way that I'm thinking that Shiba Inu is going to get to $100 billion. We are obviously are looking for it to get to a penny or a dollar. But people saying you get to $10 or $100 or $100 billion obviously is just kind of misleading people. So sorry if I did that to you, but we're here to talk about this Motley Fool article as well as talking about what Shiba Inu has done today. So before we get started in this, make sure you guys hit the like button. Also hit that subscribe button for more videos like this one. And make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. If you guys want to follow me on Twitter, definitely do that because we have a couple of things, announcements that we have back and forth with, Shiba Burn and, Zelda Inu and, all of these other projects that we're involved in that could definitely take off as well as Shiba Inu taking off. So definitely go and follow me on Twitter at Perry8K. But let's go ahead and dive into this. We're going to start with this article. So this is how the article was titled. I clicked on it and I was like, why would you not put market cap in there? Could Shiba Inu hit $100 billion by 2025? This is what makes people upset. You're purposefully or purposefully, yeah, I'm saying that right, purposefully leaving out market cap because you know that it will get a ton of clicks without putting in market cap. Even putting in market cap would get clicks. I don't understand why they would do that, right? But this itself, can it get to $100 billion market cap? Right, breaking all of this stuff down, it did get to a $30 billion market cap, a $40 and $50 billion market cap, but can it get to a $25 billion market cap? What would it take? Let's first look at what we would take for Shiba Inu's market cap to get to 100 billion in less than 4 years. I think it could get to 100 billion in less than 4 years, but let's hear them out. The digital token would have to soar more than 8x in the short period of time, which I think it can definitely do. Of course, Shiba Inu delivered a return last year that makes 8x gain look like a piece of cake. However, it's extremely unlikely we'll ever see that kind of performance from the meme coin again. I mean, your other articles would say, otherwise. Let's see. But if Shiba Inu could get a recapture of its high level from 5 months ago, it would be a good start. Actually, accomplishing this would require the token to more than quadruple. That would be enough to get Shiba Inu close to halfway to the point of $100 billion, which $100 billion would basically be to where we lose a zero and we gain another point on top of that. So it would be 0.0002 instead of 0.0001, or where it's at now, 0.00024. That's where we're standing right now. So can it get to that point? How it might happen? And now for the trickier part. How could Shiba Inu pull off the climb to a market cap of $100 billion by 2025? Single most important thing that has to happen is a return to a raging bull market in cryptocurrencies, which we all understand definitely has to happen. But really, what does have to happen is we have to see a lot of catalysts. We also have to see the burning that goes through, and they obviously talk about the catalysts that can actually get there. But I think that coins can definitely get back to this coin can get to at least a $100 billion market cap. However, it's going to be very tough for it to get there. So that's why I always give my projections off of like a 40 or $50 billion market cap, or currently wherever the market cap is at. But just to give them, I guess, an understanding, a lot of times they don't really give a full explanation as to if they think it can get there or if they truly believe it can get there. Right now, there are only two cryptocurrencies that have a market cap of at least 100 billion: Bitcoin and Ethereum. And Shiba Inu would be difficult for them to obviously get to that point in 4 years, but I do think they can get there. Shiba Inu could deliver positive returns for investors going forward, but there are other cryptocurrencies more likely to break 100 billion threshold by the end of the decade. I would agree with that. So I guess I would sort of agree that I don't think that they will surpass it. I think that we will burn enough to get close to that level and still get to the levels that we want to, right? At a current rate, if we're burning, at a current rate, obviously it would take us a long time, but if we can burn at a massive rate, we can get to where we want at a $50 billion market cap, or $40 billion market cap, or $20 billion market cap. But to say, you know, obviously this article is kind of misleading from the start, and doesn't really give their full explanation as to if they believe it. I guess by the end they think that other currencies are more capable, or other cryptocurrencies are more capable to reach that level than Shiba Inu is. And I understand there are other ones that are coins and not tokens, but Shiba Inu's platform and ecosystem is growing quite a bit. But let's go ahead and look at what Shiba Inu did for today before we end up getting out of here. Shiba Inu is currently at 24.08. It's up about 1%. Let me refresh this to make sure. Yeah, 24.08. And it's up about 1%. You can see the volume is up 30%, 29.68%, up to $1.2 billion worth of volume. You can see the market cap is at a $13.2 billion market cap, which is not absolutely insane. We can definitely see this get to a way higher market cap. I think this hovering around a 30 to 40 to $50 billion market cap is definitely something that I believe it can stay at. However, to see the circulating supply decrease will tell us whether the price can get to a certain level. So saying whether this can get to a $100 billion market cap or not, I would lean more towards not, but it is possible, right? And I probably would have more of like a 70-30% chance that it would get to that $100 billion market cap. But I do think that we will get to higher prices because of the burn rates that are coming through, right? So in my opinion, I guess more towards no. So no, we're not going to see a $100 billion market cap, just kind of like the Motley Fool says, not going to see a $100 billion market cap. There are other coins that are capable, other coins, that's the key term, coin, that can actually make it to that level. Whether you're looking at CRO, you're looking at BNB, you're looking at, Solana, you're looking at Avalanche, you're looking at all of those coins there, rather than looking at Shiba Inu token. It's just not something that I believe can make to that level. However, it does show a lot of strength, and getting to a penny, getting to a dollar doesn't mean that it has to get to a $100 billion market cap in order to get there. So that's what I have for you guys. Make sure you guys hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. If you guys want to follow me on Twitter, definitely follow me on Twitter at Perry8K. You'll be able to get a lot of updates on Shiba Inu. If you have any questions, you can reach out to me, you can at me, and we can talk about it. So that's what I had for you guys. Make sure you guys hit the like button, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.